Hello, I'm Ichikhan. In part 1 video of series 3, we have learned what is a public static void. In this video, I am going to explain about main, string, argument and etc. I am going to explain this video. In last video, however, I have asked the question to you. This is my question in my last video. I think most of them can answer this question. Yeah, your output will be no output and your program will be successful. It will be printed no output in a bracket only, no output, then will come program runs successfully. So the void, that is a empty. Okay, I think you may understand about it. Okay. The void is used because to avoid a confusion, avoid errors, and it makes a program neat and correct. So we are using a void. The next one is main. Main means like a classroom. Like a classroom. In every classroom there will be a name. Classroom number 12. Like that will be the name. The name will be there. No. So this is the and this is a starting point. If you don't write a main, Java won't don't know where to start the program. Okay, so it is a starting line to start the program. Okay, and then string and argument, which just means if you want to send a message, we'll starting a program. For example, like sending a chat note to your student before class. For example, you're making a notes before teaching the lesson to everyone, like that. Okay, so don't worry about it. It is a rule, so don't worry about this. In later videos I will explain what is it. Just now you remember this is a rule. Okay, and then one of the most important thing is this one. In Java, will most of the programmer will be do everything correctly only, but they make a mistake in a capital letter, small letter. Yes, this also, if you use in a capital letter for a small letter for capital letter, will give the error. So try to use correctly. For example, if it is a class name, a data type, you have to use a capital letter. And variables and methods means you have to use a small letters. For example, see here, it's a main should be in a class, main, that is a class, so you have to write in a capital letter. Data type, it's also be in the capital letter. Variable names, it should be in a small letter. For example, we can see this. See here, this is our class, so it should be in a capital letter. And this is our variable, so it should be in a small letter, and this also in a small letter. And this is our data type, so it should be in a capital letter. Okay, let's write this program correctly. Okay, shall we? Let's write with me your first proper program. See, public class. You can write any other thing. For example, I am writing a program itself, it should be in a capital letter. Program has to open the bracket, and then it is a first line. Your second line should be like should be gap. You need a gap. For if you see this, I have given a gap. See, this is the first line. Your second line will be a some gap, and third line will be a some gap. So you have maintained this order. Okay, in the second line, public static void. I think you can understand what about it. It is a main. You can write anything, yeah. In small letter, how to write it, okay? And then string in caps letter and to square bracket, and you can write. If there is no spacement, you can write in the first line, okay? Because the lines are very important. Args and close bracket, and you have to open here. Straightly have to open the bracket here, and you can print whatever you want to. Or right now I am printing like a system dot out dot print ln, and I'm going to printing hi all, and then the close bracket should be very carefully. It should be straight to this and straight to first line. Okay, either it can be any other thing, but try to follow this method. It's the correct method. Then now your output will be, I think you can understand your output. Your output will be hi and all will be in a separate line. Is that fine? No, not like this. Hi all will be in the same line. Okay, after that the cursor will be moved to the second line. Again, if you're printing something either hi hello means will be print in the next line. So don't confusing with these words, because the most of them thinking like that if you use the ln means will be written like a separate line, hi in first line, all in second line. No. Okay, it will this if you write a ln it will move to the next line, like the cursor will be moved to the next line. Okay, I think now you can understand very well. This is your program. This is your correct program. And you have to maintain this is your correct program. Okay. Try to do this all the thing, everyone. Okay, in this video I will give you some tasks to you. Your task is write a Java program with a correct structure to print. For example, you can write your name and your favorite motivation quote. But the two things are in the separate line. For example, if I write, I think my name is Ichikhan, I'm unstoppable. It should be in a separate line, but you have to use a proper Java program. Okay, promise to viewers. And one more important thing, in other YouTube channel no one teaches like this with this much slow and clear basic explanation. I will give you a very basic examples in this video, like how to learn easy and how to understand like you are a kid, like a beginner in a Java, because Java is not a tough if you learn in the right way. Okay, at the end of this video we have ended it. Don't forget to like this video, and most important thing is subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy this coding explanation, please subscribe and support to me. And then in a next Java series 4 video, I will teach you what is that if condition, what are the loops, how to use the loops, and how to write a condition inside a loop. And the interesting thing is, right now we have writing a program. In the next video I will tell how to get a user input, how to, if for example you are getting if I am the user, I am asking to write print a hi. So the user will be type a hi alone. So how to explain, I will explain in the next video. Programming is not about memorizing code. It's about understanding how to think like a computer. And that's what we have learned together with me. Okay friends, thank you. I meet you in Java series 4. Thank you.